And this being our last segment, you can see I have 4 additional bean plants planted behind the others. And they, of course, are the ones that should have gone in the first place, the more mature ones. I have one left over, and there just isn't anything I can do at the moment. Well, I have 2 left over. One is a birth, and one is maybe it will get planted next to the others, but not right now. A little later, perhaps. I have to mix more soil up. So, in case you're wondering, I'm sure you are not, but just in case. That's sweet potato. Just what was left in the ground after I harvested elsewhere. I brought it back and threw it down there just for fun. So we'll see if we get anything out of it. If not, maybe we get a bunch. Well, we gotta get a bunch of slips anyway. So we'll see. I hope this helps you out a little bit. Plant those beans and then can them, and you'll be eating them all winter long and be real glad you did too.